Want to start using the Hallow app for meditation or prayer guidance, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Hallow. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Hallow, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Hallow at the top. Tap Hallow when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using Hallow. That's all it takes to download Hallow. Did you know there are tons of guided meditations on Spotify? Check out this tutorial to learn how to get the app. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.